Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Connect Scholar. Thank you so much for giving us an amazing response on our research introduction writing video. If you have still not checked that video, please click the I button on the top right of your screen. Today we are going to study the research objective or the aim of study. Research objective is also a part of introduction writing. Actually, it's the most important part of research introduction writing. Let's get started with our topic now. But before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing, like our video, share it with your research enthusiast friends, and comment down below. Now let's understand what actually an objective is. As I mentioned previously, that research objective is the last line of your introduction part. It describes the purpose of your study. It describes what you're trying to find out or prove. It makes your reader understand the main focus of this study, and it also clarifies the direction of the study, like how you're going to do that. There can be more than one research objectives in a single study. There can be 2 objectives or there can be 3 objectives maybe, but it's better to keep less objectives. Too many objectives can make your study more complex and more time consuming. Now, here I have listed down some features of a good objective. Your objective must be clear and concise. It must be specific and focused. It must be achievable within the scope of study, which means whatever time duration you have been given by your university or your supervisor, it must be something that can be completed in that particular time period. Okay, and lastly, it must be related to the research problem or the research gap, right? I told you guys already in our topic selection video that we only select a certain topic for our research where we find a gap. Maybe that kind of study has not been performed in our area, or maybe it has not been performed by that particular new methodology. So that's a research gap or research problem. So just like your research topic, your research objective must be something related to the research gap that you're trying to cover. To understand this in better way, you can also refer our how to select research topic video. Now, let's understand how to write an objective. You have to start with words like to assess, to determine, to evaluate, or to explore. Make sure your objective is aligned with your research question and research methodology. Lastly, avoid the words like understand or know more about. That's not how a research objective is supposed to be. Like, you're not going to know more about things. You're performing a study, you're evaluating, you're assessing, you're exploring. So use words like these. I have listed some examples in the next slide and you'll understand what I exactly mean. Let's suppose your research topic is effectiveness of online learning among final year medical students. So the objective of your research study is going to be something like this. The aim of the study is to evaluate the effectiveness of online learning among final year medical students. I have written another example as well. If your research topic is determining the impact of screen time on sleep quality in adolescents, your research objective can be: the objective of this study is to determine the impact of screen time on sleep quality in adolescents. This, my friends, has to be the last line of your introduction part. And after this, you will start writing your methodology. So this part, the objective part, is really important. Here are some common mistakes to avoid when writing an objective. Writing multiple unrelated objectives. As I said, you can keep multiple objectives, but they must not be unrelated. Being too broad or unclear. Not aligning with your research question. Making the objective too long or complex. That's all from our side today. If you have any questions or queries, please comment down below, or you can also email us on the given email address. Our next video is going to be on the methodology. Each and every video of this series has been something that a beginner can understand, something that somebody who's new in the field of research can understand. So even in the methodology portion, we will try to cover everything very clearly so that anyone and everyone can understand it. Please subscribe to our channel, Connect Scholar. Don't forget to ring the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.